All right, great people, so we are gonna give it a go again at Home Depot to see what they have or what they don't have, to see if they're up to date on having the vegetables out that are, you know, able to be grown right now. So those are things such as the collards, the kale, Swiss chard, the broccoli, cauliflower, and other members of the brassica family. Let's see if it is there at Home Depot. Okay, let's go. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With us. Don't keep up with